Hello guys, welcome to the series of Dart programming language tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn Dart switch case as a part of Dart's control flow statement. So let's get started. There is a problem with nested if else. It becomes complex in the program when we increase multiple paths. Switch case reduces that complexity of the program and enhances the readability of the program too. So here we have a syntax for switch statement. So here we have a switch keyword, and in bracket we have expression. Then we have opening and closing braces. So this is a block of switch statement. Inside that we have a number of cases with their blocks along with break statement, and at last we have default statement also. So in switch case we give a expression or condition, and inside the switch block we have a number of cases to match that expression. If the expression matches with any of one case, then the block of that particular case will be executed and the rest blocks will be ignored. And if any case is not matching with the expression value, then simply default blocks statement will be executed. So when we run our program, so it goes to the switch expression and it evaluates the value of switch expression, and it compares with the case 1. If we are getting false, so it will go to case 2. So again, if we are getting false, so it will go to case n. So it will go up to case n, and in case n also, if we are getting false, so it will go to the default statement. Then default statements will be executed and hence our code will be terminated. And suppose in case 1, if we are getting true, so case 1's statements will be executed and then our program will be terminated. And suppose in case 1 we are getting false, but in case 2 we are getting true, so case 2's statements will be executed and our program will be terminated. And in the third case, suppose case 1 and case 2 are getting false and we are getting true for case n, so case n's statements will be executed, then our program will be terminated. So let's have one example to understand it. So let's have a program to find out the grade of a student. So here I have two statements: print enter your grade, and I am taking input from the user and storing it in grade variable. So let's use the switch case now. Switch, then we are using grade here. So we will have case A, so we will print here excellent. Then we will break this case. Now second, we will have case B. So for that we will print good. So let's copy paste these for 2 times. Now we will have our default statement. Invalid choice. So let's make it clear and make it work. So let's save and run it. Dart switch. Press enter. It's asking for the grade, so I'm giving A here. So see, we are getting excellent. So let's try it, run it. So we are taking the input from the user and we are storing it to grade. Inside grade we are giving this A grade. So here multiple cases are available. So the first case is A. So yes, it's matching, so it will go inside this block and it will print this statement, and after that it will break. So like all the other cases will not be executed, even the default will also not execute. So let's run it again and we will give another grade this time. So I'm entering again, enter your grade. So I'm giving D now. Let's run. So it's giving poor. Let's try run it this time also. So it will go inside the grade and it will match the first case A, so it's not there, so it will go outside of this case, and here it's B, so it's not it B, so it will ignore this loop also, so it will ignore this block also. It will go and check for the case C, so it's not C, so it will ignore this block also. It will go to check for case D, so yes, it's D, we are giving D grade, so it will print poor here, so poor is printed here, and the break statement will also be executed, so it will bring us out of the program. So let's run it again with some invalid choice. So here I am giving anything, like any value we can give. So see, invalid choice, because it's again it will try to match this grade with A, B, C and D, so nothing is matching with this SDFSA, so it will simply go inside the default block, so it is invalid choice, so it will print invalid choice. Please find the GitHub link for this example in the description. Thanks for watching.